go. Hi there everyone. Today we are driving a 2011 Volvo XC60 T6 on our channel. This is going to be another series of the quiet test drives. I will drive the car quietly and then share my impressions to you at the end of the video. But let's take a look at this XC60. These are one of my favorite Volvos from that era, with the inline 6 turbos, the 5-cylinder engines. One of the best creations that Volvo's ever made. Very reliable, long-lasting, powerful motors. And back in 2011, you pretty much had a hot rod SUV right here. It would give a lot of fast SUVs a run for the money. Very high quality cabin, excellent driving dynamics, and very safe. So here we have soft touch materials everywhere, leather. Over the years, nothing has torn apart. Everything is holding its shape really well. Let's hop in the back. I'm 6'2", and it feels super comfortable. A little bit to the tighter side, but still very good. As you can see, there's more space here. Seats feel great, comfy, supportive. We got our cup holders. Very nice cabin. Again, take a look at the condition of this car on the inside. Heated seats, side vents. It looks almost new. We have an electronic tailgate. Cargo cover, and this is a huge trunk. This is more than you would get in your typical crossover of that time. Looks like there's more space than the Infiniti FX35 has, which I think is super cool. Let's take a look at the engine bay. Here's our engine. Everything looks really nice. We got all our factory stickers. All right, let's go fire her up. So hopping in the cabin. Really comfortable front seats. One of the best that I've seen. We got heated seats, dual zone climate, nav. I love the layout of the dashboard. Everything is very visible, easy to see. We have this enormous sunshade. Plenty of light can come in through here. Compass with the auto dimming mirror. Garage door opener. Let's see, this one has a backup camera. Has a backup camera with sensors. Auto folding rear headrests. And I love the design of the Volvo seats. They made everything like this so when you were wearing gloves you could easily touch all the buttons. Some more storage here. Nice loud horn. Some of them also had blind spot. This one doesn't. It also has the premium sound. Auto start stop. This specific car has something going on with its power steering. I don't know what it is. So it's a little bit sketchy. So I'm gonna be more careful than when I normally drive. Let's put on the headlights. incredibly good pull. Lots of power behind the pedal. The only thing, like I said, something is really iffy with the power steering. Can't really adjust it as much as I would like to, but that's okay. As long as we're driving in a straight line, it's not that bad. We did 0 to 60 in 5.78 seconds. 0 to 62 came in 6.08. 40 to 80, 5.97, and the 1/8 came in at 9.11 at 78.93 miles per hour. That is without any brake boost. Brake boosting doesn't really do anything in these cars, doesn't really help out. So these are pretty good ballpark numbers. So there we go. That summarizes our performance section. Let's summarize the test drive. So I have really enjoyed this Volvo XC60. Seriously, what a blast of a machine. It accelerates on the numbers like an Infiniti FX50S, a V8 with almost 400 horsepower. This car puts out virtually the same numbers, which is so impressive for 2011. And this is not even the Polestar tuned one. This is just the regular T6 without any additional tunes or flashes, none of that. What a quick car. I'd say fast. It rides very nicely. It's smooth, nimble, has direct steering. Even with the possible issues here, it still steers well. I like it. Excellent brakes, playful chassis, and there's minimal body roll here for a big SUV, which is very surprising. Usually these kind of cars, they have some more floatiness to them, but no, here, it's great. It goes right into action. You press, it flies. Very smart automatic transmission as well for a 6-speed, because usually not all of these transmissions are that advanced, but the ones in the Volvos here are very good. Very good transmissions. Let's check out the U-turn radius. Let's see how that is. You know what? Really good, actually. No concerns. Oh, is this thing quick. This XC60 is so quick. Like, it just gets moving right up. No delay, no lag. This has almost the same 0 to 60 time as the new Audi S5 if you just floor them both. The S5 is like, what, 5.4, 5.6 in my testing on average. This is 5.7, 5.8. Like, how much closer do you want them to be? I really wish Volvo continued with their inline 6s and 5 cylinders, because these are such good engines. Very powerful, silky, smooth, balanced. And they don't have these 114 whatever limiters built in. Not that Volvo owners will go that fast anyway, but it's just nice to know that your car can do more. I guess just for fun. And you never know when you may need that additional speed. You never know what can happen. So it's just good to have it as a reserve. Would I recommend this car to a new driver? Absolutely. It's very easy to drive, excellent visibility, and it's just such a pleasant experience. Well, this wraps up our test drive for today. Please let me know what you think in the comments down below. I would love to hear your feedback. Would you get this car or the FX, Infiniti FX? But like I said, I've really been impressed with this XC60. Seriously, what an underrated sleeper. For 2011, the performance numbers here are incredible. And this is just half throttle. Phenomenal. But let me know what you thought down in the comments below. Make sure to smash that like and subscribe button. And till next time.